Hey all, welcome back to Crazy Nick. This is your girl Swikriti Gupta. Welcome to the first ever vlog of this channel. So this is one night prior to the day we are leaving and we are busy packing. We are packing all the stuffs which we are going to take there. Where we are going you will get to know later in this vlog, and I hope that's a very beautiful place. We are going to celebrate Durga Puja. Yes, Ashtami, Navami and Dashami is going to be spent over there. So I'm very excited and I'm going with my family friends. So it's going to be interesting, I hope so. बट मैं आप लोगों को पल पल की खबर देने वाली हूँ, तो आप लोग एकदम लास्ट तक बने रहिए क्योंकि ये बोरिंग नहीं होने वाला है. इट्स गोइंग टू बी फन. आई विल टेक यू ऑल विथ माई सेल्फ क्योंकि थोड़ा मज़ा बनता है इसलिए. सो It's 11:05 p.m. right now, and I'm sure our packing is going to last till 12 or something because it takes a lot of time to pack things. It's a total mess in the house right now, and we are going to wake up very, very early tomorrow than the usual time, of course, because we are going to leave at, I guess, 7:30. So we are going to wake up like at 5. Or maybe 5:30. I don't know the timings, but I hope so. This is the time limit which we have in our head and we are going to go accordingly. But be it whatever, I'm going to give you give you updates. I will give you updates. I will let you know each and everything, and also I may look a bit messy maybe because it's night, right, and I'm sleepy. I want to sleep and I'm also excited. So yes, let's go. Bye. Good night. Good morning guys. Yes, so we are out and मैं सुबह शूट नहीं कर पाई थी क्योंकि लास्ट मोमेंट तक पैकिंग ही चल रही थी. एंड वी आर ऑन रोड राइट नाउ. It's 8:15 right now and we are on the way. Not yet, बट ऑन द वे. तो आप लोगों को तो पता चल जाएगा थोड़ी देर में कि हम लोग जा कहाँ रहे हैं. एंड आई एम सॉरी फॉर द बैड लाइटिंग क्योंकि मैं अभी गाड़ी में हूँ एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी सनी बट इट्स कोल्ड. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है सुबह सुबह. इट्स लाइक अ शिवरिंग काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग. एंड जहाँ हम लोग जा रहे हैं वो हिली एरिया है, तो वहाँ पे और ज़्यादा ठंड होगी. जहाँ तक हमारा रिसर्च कहता है 10 डिग्रीज या उससे भी लो होने वाला है. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी कोल्ड. एंड हम सब ने तो वुलन से पैक कर लिया है. इट्स ऑलरेडी विंटर ईयर. मुझे विंटर्स उतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. इफ़ यू नो मी क्वाइट वेल, मुझे विंटर्स पसंद नहीं है. आई एम अ समर पर्सन. But let's see how it all goes, and I'm quite excited. Also, it's Ashtami today, but when this video is going to be up on my channel, it's not going to be Ashtami, it's going to be later. So वो बाद में देखा जाएगा. And I will meet sorry for that. I will meet you once we are on the way. So bye.
1 hour later.
जंगल में मंगल हुआ जा रहा है अभी क्योंकि हम लोग वेट कर रहे किसी के लिए. एंड वी आर ऑलरेडी हियर लाइक प्लीज ओके. सो वी आर गोइंग विथ लाइक 3 other family members. And check this person out. Oh god. So we are going with like 3 other family members and 2 are already here, but one is yet to come. Yes. Bye. This person disturbs a lot, so please ignore him, guys. Please ignore him. And I just wanted to update you that हम लोग जंगल में हैं अभी. जंगल में है. Okay. So I hope that person arises soon for whom we are waiting. Do not disturb. Okay. Daddy, say hello.
Hi.
Okay. So we'll talk once that person arises. Okay. Bye. came down from exactly there, up there if you can see, and it's such a difficult road, and I have not connected my mic also. So anyways, we came from right there, and it's like so steep and irregular distance, and you can see them walking there. We are going as well. It's really so dangerous and adventurous because I am enjoying. Actually the fact is हमें अपना होटल या फिर हमें अपना रिजॉर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है. That's the fact. We are finding the resort and we are on a very adventurous mood, and you can understand I'm very tired. We all were tired, and even more right now. This road is very flat right now, but from where we came was very steep and very adventurous. See him. He is saying that we finally got a resort. Thank God. Come on, let's show you the way. Oh goodness. It's sea. Okay. So guys, I'm finally revealing the place where we are. We are at Pangot, Nainital. And this is the resort name. And we finally found a way. Oh God. Check out these steps. And if अगर किसी भी गलती से अगर आपका पैर एक बार भी स्लाइड कर गया तो you are gone forever. You are gone forever. Okay guys, I am very tired. I'll talk to you guys later once we reach. Bye. Finally here. Sorry. Do not. Okay, so anyways, I hope the lighting is better right now. Finally we are here. Finally. I don't believe this is happening. Okay. I'm so excited because we are going to have some music jamming, I guess. And I'm going to enjoy, yeah. But it was so tiresome. It was a trekking which we did. I'm going to give you updates a little later once we reach the room. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh God, finally in the place, finally in the room, finally in the hotel. I look so messy. We all are so messy. It was a very tiresome journey. We did like somewhere over here. We started from somewhere over here, and then we came all the way down, trekking. Oh my goodness, and the so steep stairs.
Subscribe to Go Curious.
Someone is there, please ignore him, okay? And it is so steep. I cannot explain you how difficult it was because it was very dangerous, and I couldn't take out my phone out of my pocket. There were 110% chances I would fall with my phone. So I did not take the risk. I did not. But you want a room tour? You want a room tour? Even if you don't want, I'm gonna give. Hello guys, so welcome to the room for today's So guysy, this is the room and this is the scenery which we are going to live with for 2 days now. This is a wooden resort as usual because that is what a hilly resort looks like. If you have been to hills, you know very well. I just realized I did not show you guys my outfit of the day. So yeah, here it is. So it was a cargo pants which is very cool. It's of sap green color. And I have a white t-shirt and a shirt over it which is really cool. For accessories, I have my watch. I have the rings which you can see there. And the hair is very messy as it is supposed to be. So anyways, I don't know what the plan of action right now is. I guess we are going to finally rest for like 2 hours. The fact was that our fathers drove the car for continuous, I guess, 3 to 4 hours. I don't actually know the time. We left at 8:30 and right now it's 1:30 right now. So you may calculate. It was a long journey, as you guys know. And so our fathers are very tired because they had to drive. And the roads, my goodness, it's so curved and so steep. It's very difficult for our fathers to drive. खाने का टाइम हो चुका है. It's lunch time. Okay, अभी बज रहे हैं 3 बज रहे हैं, 3 बज रहे हैं। तो अब खाने वाले हैं। तो आपको दिखा देते हैं कि मैं खाने के लिए भी ट्रैकिंग करके जा रही हूँ। तो रास्ता देखिए। चेक दिस रोड आउट। आई होप आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फॉल विथ माई कैमरा। ओ गॉड, आई एम सॉरी फॉर माई हैंड्स, बट it's such a weird place. But you know what? I fell in love with trekking. Oops, I'm sorry for that. But it's such small steps you can see, and such irregular steps which you cannot have full faith on. But yeah, finally reached here. And yes, this is the restaurant which we are going to have a lunch in. There was a different area to come over here, but we just chose this trekking वाला area anyways. तो चलो खा लेते हैं. Done with the lunch now, and you know what we had. So it was yummy. And I enjoyed having it. But now we have a jamming session, which is we will be singing, we will be practicing, and we will have a jam session in the evening most probably. So here I have my guitar. So we are going to Ayush's room for practice. So let's see how it all goes and what are the songs we are going to sing. We are going to select right now. So let's see. Finally in room after a good day out. शाम को कुछ प्लानिंग्स तो है नहीं, यहाँ पे नीचे जो प्लेस है वहाँ पे बैठेंगे एंड चिल करेंगे. तो यस, मीट यू इन द इवनिंग. It's so cold. It's 5:55 p.m. right now, and see the weather. See the scenery is so beautiful, but it's very cold. It's 19 degrees Celsius right now. It's 13. It's 13. I don't know. I have not checked, but it's very cold, and we are having layers on. Yes, it is already so cold, but this is beautiful. This scenery, it is beautiful and mind blowing. Actually, this horizon is looking so amazing. If you can see it so clearly as I can see with my eyes, it's amazing. The nature's beauty is incredible, isn't it? Oh God, but it's very cold, and I hope it was not so cold, but it's okay. But अभी प्लान ऑफ एक्शन हमारा कुछ भी नहीं है. हम लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं क्योंकि रास्ता तो आपको पता है बहुत खतरनाक है. तो हम कहीं भी नहीं जा रहे हैं. हम लोग यहीं पे रहेंगे. अभी थोड़ा ठिठुर कर बात करेंगे, बहुत ठंड है. सो प्लान ऑफ एक्शन तो कुछ नहीं है. हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के चिल करेंगे. मे बी हम लोग गाना गाएंगे, और अगर हम लोग गाएंगे तो आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. नहीं गाएंगे तो भी पता चल जाएगा. सो ओके, मीट यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, ये रास्ता हम फिर से जा रहे हैं पता नहीं कहाँ मोमोज खाने. ओ गॉड, आजा एक. ओ गॉड, कांपते आ गए हम लोग फिर से नीचे से ऊपर, जो कि बहुत ही एक वियर्ड सा रास्ता था. और क्या करना है, मोमोज खाने आए हैं. तो आई होप थोड़े गरम मोमोज खा के शांति मिलेगी. My hands and my legs and everything is shivering. It's very cold. I cannot tolerate cold. But it's good. I'm enjoying. It's a beautiful scenery. You want to say something, Neil? How did you feel? Yeah. How did you feel climbing? Yeah. Oh. रात को पहन के मारने एक चलेगी. सुबह वही पहननी पड़ेगी. सुबह पहनी पक्का. Hello. Ooh, it's cold, right? Sorry for the Sorry for all the noise. It's very, very, very cold. Do you see me fully packed? It's so cold outside, and we were having a jamming session, and I am not able to sing. It's so cold, but it was a very, very good jamming session. I really, really enjoyed it. Also, I love performing in open, so I was performing in open, and even more outsiders became to know me. So that's even more cool. And don't mind my hair, please. It's all so messy, but it's all okay. And okay, so we are going for dinner, and then I will meet you guys again later. Yes, bye. Messy is my hair and swollen are my eyes. Nose is red and I'm tired. Sorry for that, but it is so much more better here in the restaurant than it is outside in the open. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. What is the temperature right now? 10? 9? It is very cold, but we are here to have something. Ignore this thing, okay? He's trying to vlog me, but I'm not trying to vlog him. Am I?
हंसो जी भर के हंसो इतना हंसो कि पेट भी फूल जाए बस ज्यादा मोटे मत थैंक यू
Off to dinner.
आज हम
Hey everyone, so it's the end of day 1. It was a very, very amazing day, but it's very cold right now, and it was very much known to us that it is going to be very cold, so it's okay. But it's the end of day 1, and it was a very successful day, so I'm very candle is Ashtami. I still have not seen Mazmuk. It's 2020, right? Everything is possible, so yeah, cannot help. But yeah, day 1 is over, and I will meet you guys in day 2. Till then, good night, my lovelies. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I'm still messy. I'm still cold. I'm still pale. But don't look at my face. Look at that view. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh God, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Actually, but अभी हमारे रिजॉर्ट तक धूप पहुंची नहीं है, इसलिए हम फिर भी अभी भी ठिठुर कर बैठे हैं. It's very cold, but it's 19 degrees Celsius right now. But for me, even 19 degrees Celsius is very, very low for those who know how to like handle cold or know how to live in cold. I cannot. But abhi to I'm pale, so I will meet you guys after I am all good once again, and I will be going for breakfast. I'll meet you guys there. Okay, bye. I hope I'm a bit better right now. A bit. Of course, I did not completely make myself look beautiful right now. Because, okay, so it is... What is the timing? I don't even know that. It is 8:14 a.m. right now. It's still cold, but we are about to go somewhere. Maybe to have something like a tea or coffee. I don't know. And perhaps then we will return to our rooms, and then we will get ourselves all done, and we will change, and then we will go together and have a breakfast. And what is for the breakfast? Don't ask me because I don't know. Also, we'll get to know because that's what our parents have ordered. We kids don't know about it. So we need to wait till it's time for the breakfast. But anyways, I'm so obsessed with this look, yeah. This is so pretty. It is. And I'm waiting for the sun to rise. And धूप इस रिजॉर्ट तक पहुंच जाए. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड हो रही है. ओके बाय. Finally, it's coffee time. Like, I finally found a coffee. Also, it is going to be a relaxation to our throats, जो बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द कर रहा था. So, coffee time. I'll meet you later. This is a feel, isn't it? Sitting with a hot coffee mug in the hand. And in the cold weather, this is a vibe which we were looking for. Not exactly can we see the hills right now because it's very jungle type. But it's okay. Anyways, let me enjoy, okay? Bye. So guys, now I'm going to do a very sick transition. I don't know how it is going to go, but if you're not interested, you can just skip this video and I'm still going to be okay. But still I'm going to do this transition, so sorry for what you're about to see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So yes, this is the outfit of the day 2. I am wearing this very cute little top, which is very stylish and very cute. This is a polka dot and I really am in love. Also, I'm wearing this red jeggings, which is very comfy. And yes, that is what the outfit of the day is. And अभी हम लोग यही पहन के रहेंगे, but फिर से at night we are going to shift back to our sweatshirts and warm pants क्योंकि ठंड होने वाली है बहुत ज़्यादा. So अभी धूप है बहुत, तो अगर if we wear something which is light and which is not warm and which is not thick, it is still going to work क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है तो गर्मी हो रही है. Also, talking about today's plan of action, अभी हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं. Plan of action वैसे हमारा कुछ भी नहीं है बट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन, अभी हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं तो आई होप कुछ फन करेंगे, खेलेंगे या फिर बातें करेंगे. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. ऑल्सो 1:30 से लेके आई गेस समथिंग 5 or 6 आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी बिजी क्योंकि कॉम्पिटिशन है, तो मुझे उस कॉम्पिटिशन में वर्चुअली प्रेजेंट रहना होगा, which is a bit disturbing I guess, but it's okay, I'm ready for it and let's see क्या होता है. But I'm going to be busy a lot. I'm going to be sick. All the other members are going to be there down enjoying maybe. I will be doing this competition. एक स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन है इंग्लिश, तो वही करेंगे हम लोग. उसके बाद I guess we will again have some jamming session maybe, or we are going to do something like a photo shoot or something, but let's see. Okay, bye.